Hey everyone, welcome back to your own iPhone and iCloud unlocking channel. Today, we're going to show you an amazing tool that can unlock iCloud activation lock on any iDevice for free. The best part? You don't need any technical knowledge to use it. So, let's dive in. But, before we get into the tool, let's quickly understand what an iCloud lock is. An iCloud lock is a security feature designed by Apple to prevent unauthorized access to your device. It requires the original Apple ID and password to unlock the device. This feature is great for security, but can be a headache if you forget your credentials or buy a second-hand device that's locked. Now, let me introduce you to our lifesaver tool. This tool, which is copyrighted to its owner, is completely free to use and doesn't require any technical knowledge. It works across all iDevices and is a simple and effective solution for unlocking iCloud activation lock. Here are some fantastic features of this tool. It's 100% safe and secure process and free to use. No technical knowledge is required to use this tool. It's compatible with all iDevices and comes with a user-friendly interface. Now, let's walk through the steps to use this tool. It's straightforward and quick. 1. Download and run. First, download the tool from the website Checkra.win, link also showing on the screen, or you can find the link in the first comment of this video. This tool doesn't require any installation, just download and run. 2. Connect your device. Connect your locked iDevice to your computer, using a USB cable. 3. Launch the tool, open the tool, and you'll see a simple interface. Click on Unlock to begin the unlocking process. 4. Wait for the process to complete. The tool will now work its magic. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. 5. Device unlocked done. Once the process is complete, your iDevice will be unlocked and free from the iCloud activation lock. Here are a few additional tips and precautions. Ensure your device is fully charged before starting the process. Use the official website to download the tool, which is Checkra.win, to avoid malware. This tool supports mobile devices like Phone 5, 5C, 5S, iPhone SE, iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, iPhone 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone X, XR, XS, X Max, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12, 12 Mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPhone 13, 13 Mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. Supported tablet devices are iPad, iPad Mini, and iPad Air, all generations. iPad Pro 12.9-inch and 11-inch all generations, iPad Pro 9.7-inch. To summarize, this professional, but free and easy-to-use tool is a fantastic solution for anyone struggling with an iCloud locked iDevice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! You can skip this video and visit the website Checkra.win to download the iCloud Unlock tool directly. You can skip this video and visit the website Checkra.win to download the iCloud Unlock tool directly. You can skip this video and visit the website Checkra.win to download the iCloud Unlock tool directly. You can skip this video and visit the website checkra.win to download the iCloud Unlock tool directly. You can skip this video and visit the website checkra.win to download the iCloud Unlock tool directly.